Want to delete a Netflix profile on your iPhone? If you've created extra profiles or simply want to remove one, the Netflix app lets you delete any profile in just a few taps. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done effortlessly. Let's begin. First up, open your Netflix app. Now on the profile selection menu, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on it. This will give you all your profiles a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon over the profile you want to edit. Now scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap Delete Profile. Netflix will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Delete again. The profile will be removed instantly from your account. If the delete option still doesn't appear, it means you're trying to remove the main account owner profile, and that one cannot be deleted. Only secondary profiles can be removed. And that's it. That's how you delete a profile on Netflix using your iPhone. I hope this video helped you.